Dear students, welcome to you from Janata High School online class. We have discussed about narration the last class. Today's we have discussed about narration interrogative sentence. Dear student, write on your khata interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Dear students, the direct speech is interrogative sentence. In indirect narration, you will use ask, inquire of or demand of as a repeating verb. Ask, inquire of and demand of as a repeating verb in indirect narration. You will change if or whether replacing inverted comma. You will change if or whether replacing comma. Write a sentence. For example, he said to me, do you like tea? Look at the example. Do you like tea? It is a interrogative sentence. If you want to change this sentence in indirect narration, he asked me if I liked tea. This sentence is interrogative. You use repeating verb asked. Replacing comma, use if. Replacing comma, use if. Or whether, generally you use if. And at last, the sentence will change into assertive sentence. Not only interrogative sentence, but also all kinds of sentence change into assertive sentence. Now another example. Rina said to Bina, have you prepared your lesson? Have you prepared your lessons? Write on your khata, have you prepared your lesson? This sentence is interrogative. Now, in direct narration, Rina asked Bina. Replace inverted comma, you can use if. And this sentence, have you prepared your lesson? this sentence changes into assertive sentence. Now you sense Bina, she, bracket B, she had prepared her lessons. She had prepared her lesson. Rina asked Bina if she had prepared her lessons. Now, another example. Jamal said to Kamal, where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? This is interrogative sentence. At this sentence, the very beginning of this sentence use interrogative pronoun where. In this situation, if you want to change into indirect narration, Jamal asked Kamal. In this situation, the indirect speech start WH what or interrogative pronoun who, which, what, when, how, where. In interrogative indirect narration, no sense this conjunction, and who, which, what, when, how, this conjunction you will use, and the meaning, the conjunction of the interrogative sentence. Where you sense Kamal, he. This sentence is present indefinite tense. In indirect narration, this sentence must be sensed in past indefinite tense. He lived. Now another example. Asif said to Abir, when will you go to school? In this sentence, this is interrogative sentence. When will you go to school? Now in direct narration, Asif asked Abir, when. In this sentence, when is used as conjunction. There is no use if or whether. When he will sense would go to school. Dear students, I have I have reached the last moment of this class. Write your home tasks. Homework. He said to me, what is your name? Number 2, Bina said to Arif, are you going to school? These 2 sentences try at home. Dear students, you know that the coronavirus have already broken out in an epidemic form. In this situation, you will stay at home, wash your hand at least 20 seconds, eat balanced food and follow the government instructions. Thank you.